In the world of the automotive community, there are three letters that stand out: JDM. So what makes JDM stand out more than other manufacturing brands in the areas around the world? Why do car enthusiasts love JDM models, and let's just say German or American-made cars? JDM, Japanese domestic market, like Honda, Subaru, Nissan, or Mitsubishi, or even Toyota, say the least. These are made sales specifically in Japan, means that the cars were originally built, sold, and imported from Japan. Well, let's talk about what really got the culture started. An economic boom in Japan in the 1980s to the early 1990s led to some incredibly over-engineered cars. Automaking that were making that trying to stand out with new technologies that evolved over time. That's what really got the JDM started, really, because of the economic boom from the 1990s really set everything up to make sure that the JDM stand out to the crowd. But what makes them very special and unique? JDM cars often have unique features that make them stand out to the crowd, which is, stancing them or, putting them on, displays or something like that, Other enthusiasts seek out for rarities and cool factors. For example, if you watch the Fast and Furious movies, it's a really amazing franchise. Seeing all the cars that do their stunts and kind of how the storyline plays out and kind of what the cars, how the characters, have a personality to their cars, either they're stunt double or they're stunt based or whatever it is. Fast and Furious is a good franchise, but most importantly, looking at the JDM models, like for example, like Dom's, I forgot, like the Toyota Supra. I think I've never seen Fast and Furious in so long, but yeah, kind of let's look at the JDM models, like the Subaru Impreza, kind of doing all those stunts that, Fast and Furious are doing. And how many JDM models do you see in the world, on the road? Well, I see a lot of like the Subarus, Nissans, Hondas, all these Japanese cars around the road, I watch them every day. I do have two of them, actually. I have one Forester and one Subaru Outback. I have two JDM Japanese cars. Well, JDM is special because it's made by artists that have a vision and the craft of evolving technology for the fullest. That's why when you go to like the Tokyo, for example, look how Tokyo is so based on technologies. Everywhere you look in Tokyo or other places in Japan, all that technology is evolving over time. JDM just stands out because it's so popular because of all that technology, is the aerodynamics, the well maintained and built they are, Like we can import those legally and manufacture them and kind of make them better, as we can sell these, But it's made by like artists and engineers, but not accountants. It's the artists and the engineers that make these vehicles stand out. And that's why we love JDM cars. Imagine if I sit down with somebody and do a collab with somebody, and they say, "Well, I'm going to say, well, what's your favorite JDM vehicle? What's your favorite, car?" Well, obviously JDM. They say JDM because, well, there's a story that goes with JDM models. What JDM has to Japan. The culture of Japan, kind of stands out to really what makes JDM really JDM. Imagine if someone came up to me and said, "Well, what's your top tier JDM models you like?" Well, I'm going to say Subarus, Nissan GTRs, Toyota Supras, Honda Civic Type Rs, A lot of those JDM cars I love. I'm a big fan of JDM, and JDM legends never die. So that's enough for that video for you guys. That's a lot of talking about JDM stuff. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. We're going to talk about more about JDM, more of the history of JDM sometime. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button if you guys are new. And we're going to talk about more about car manufacturings and other stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.